In today's video I'm hiking up Binevenagh Mountain. It's just outside of Limavady in Northern Ireland. They filmed the Game of Thrones here, a couple scenes of the Game of Thrones. And there's also at the base of the mountain cliffs, there used to be a castle. I don't believe there's much left of it, but I thought it'd be interesting to take a hike up here and see what I can find. I'm now at the base of the cliffs. There's really steep cliffs. I don't know if you can see behind me there. I'll go up to the top. And just in the fields down here, I believe they filmed a lot of the scenes from the Game of the Thrones. I was at the same location it must have been about 1.5 to 2 years ago. And I was at the very top of the mountain. And up at the top, there's a lake. And it was the first time I had a drone, the Nafi, and basically it's one of the first aerial photos I got with that. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to that video so you can have a look at it. So it just gives you a different perspective from the top. Binevenagh comes from the Irish word Fovney's Peak. Fovney was the son of a Celtic chief who was murdered on top of the mountain. Binevenagh is on the western edge of a range of mountains that was created around 60 million years ago by molten lava. The scenery here is amazing. Let me show you the path that I'm walking on. Have a look at that. Look at this view. Just right down there, and that in between those two hills, I believe there was a scene where the dragon's den was just down in the valley of those two hills in the Game of Thrones. This is the location of the castle called Craigbolie Castle, also known as Dun Crutheni. The castle was a hill fort built by a group of people called Dun Crutheni, who were located in this area around the 5th century. There's not much left of it other than a D-shaped outline of the boundary walls, which have now been covered with grass. this end of this video at the bottom of Binevenagh. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. And if you want to leave any comments, feel free to leave them below. So until next time, I'll see you later.